Now, across town, Alan and Tulane Dykes are getting ready to check out another outdoor product called the Garden Groom.
All right, Tulane. Now, according to these people, they say it's so lightweight, 6 pounds, that even senior citizens and women can do it. So we're actually going to go ahead and try this out. Your blade is enclosed. That's one of the nice features about it. It spins so fast that it creates this cyclonic action that apparently is supposed to pull all your clippings inside here, and it shreds them to 1/10 of their original size.
All right.
So let's test it out, and afterwards you give me your opinion on it.
Okay.
The Garden Groom looks a little bit like a spaceship hovering over the hedge, but it really seems to be making quick work of the job. In fact, Tulane's side is going a lot faster than Alan's, and it looks a little neater too.
All right, so you look like you were going a little faster than me. Tell me what you think about it. Your honest opinion now.
Well, it is lightweight. It seemed to do it pretty quickly. Obviously, it's a lot less mess. I would actually give it a high rating.
At over $100, the Garden Groom is a bit pricey for a hedge trimmer, but it does live up to its promises, so we're giving it a 4.5 out of 5 rating.